Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to scan your QR code on your Microsoft Authenticator app. Very easy, and the reason I'm taking a video like this instead of a screen recording, where you take a screen recording in this app, they go ahead and make it blank and they block everything out. But it's very easy guys. All you do is open up Microsoft Authenticator, and then to go ahead and scan a QR code, what you do is tap on this plus button you see here at the top right corner. Okay, tap on this, and then what I need you to do is go ahead and select add account. So we have add account right here, and you need to choose, okay, either work or school account, for example. You can choose that and go ahead and select that, press OK. Now here you see we have the option to scan a QR code, so I'll just go ahead and tap on that, and then you can just go ahead and focus on a QR code, right? But you need to allow permissions, so allow permissions while using the app, and once it finds the QR code guys, you will be able to scan it automatically. As you can see, you see those yellow dots, those orange dots. It's just trying to scan a QR code, and it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this kind of provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.